Alright, as promised, I was gonna say exactly, I talked about the stencil, about the vehicle and how to create one, basic steps too. Now make sure that it would fit the whole entire paper. Now if you cut outside the edge of the paper, just make sure you tape that together so that way it doesn't get destroyed. So that way it just strengthens it a little bit. And so let me just show you what I've done so far. Okay, if you look at the symbol of the monster symbol, you'll see that I outlined and traced the outline. And that's because whenever you spray, some of the spray is going to go over. That's okay, but what you do, you just sand it down here and go all the way around with hand sanding, and you should be okay. And well, I'm gonna cut this out, and then I'll show you the results afterwards. And whenever you cut it out, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it does have to be on the line of what you drew out, because if not, it's just not going to look right. It's not going to look exactly the way you expect it to. So you actually want to make sure that these lines are accurate to the best of your ability, and make sure you know how to cut a straight line. If you do not know how to cut a straight line, you're going to be in a world of trouble. Okay, so after this, you want to gently remove the tape, okay, and on the sides, because gravity can really destroy stuff. So start removing the sides, start removing from the bottom, and then work your way to the top. Whenever you do the top, go from left to right or right to left, but make sure you leave that middle one in there so your project doesn't fall. Here it is. You don't really need really strong tape, just enough to hold the weight of the construction paper. And then you remove your stencil here. And that's the monster symbol. And then you just start cutting. So I will show you what it looks like on my next video after I've cut it out, and go from there.